In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho Invoice from Chrome and customize your invoice templates just the way you'd like. Let's get started right away by opening up Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've got that up and running, head over to the Zoho Invoice website, enter your login details smoothly, and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Zoho Invoice. Now here's where it starts to get really interesting. You're going to navigate over to the Settings menu. You can usually find this conveniently situated on the sidebar. Once you're there, click on Templates. This section is essentially your playground for customizing invoices. It's where all the magic happens in making your invoices look professional and tailored to your brand. When you open up the Templates section, you're going to see a variety of invoice templates readily available for you to choose from. Take a moment to browse through them and get a feel for what each one has to offer. Once you've settled on a template that suits your needs, go ahead and select it. Now on to one of the most exciting parts, customizing your chosen template. Here, you can tweak and adjust the layout to match your style. You can modify colors to align with your brand's palette and adjust fonts to ensure they're clear and professional. Additionally, right within this area, you've got the fantastic option to upload your company's logo, adding that extra layer of personal touch to each invoice you send out. As you're making these changes, feel free to explore and test different combinations to see what represents your company best and sends out just the right message to your clients. Remember, a well-designed invoice is not only functional, but also a reflection of your brand's identity. Once you've personalized your template to your satisfaction, there's just one last but crucial step left to complete this process. Make sure to save all the changes you've carefully crafted. Saving might seem like a small detail, but forgetting it could mean losing all the creative work you just put in. To secure everything, look for the Save button, usually highlighted somewhere convenient. Once you've clicked it, these customizations will be automatically applied to all your future invoices. That way you won't have to go through this process every time you want to send one out. And there you have it. You've just successfully accessed Zoho Invoice from Chrome and customized your invoice template. This ensures that every time you reach out to clients, your invoices look polished and personal. Keep in mind, this bit of innovation can contribute significantly to how your business is perceived. Go ahead and give it a try for the next invoice you send out. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.